Hello, my sweethearts. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and you'll get a chance to be featured on my channel. Are you guys ready for these beautiful jumbo ombre box braids? Well, stay tuned and I'll show you just how to get these done. My subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. Okay, let's just get right into it, you guys. I did wash and condition my hair, and I did air dry it with leave-in conditioner. Okay, I am going to be conditioning my hair and greasing my hair throughout this hairstyle because it is going up. I am going to be putting rubber bands in. This is the rubber band method box braid, so this is not a protective style hairstyle. As you guys know, I am not the best parter, but hey, I'll be trying. Okay, soak your rubber bands in some oil so your rubber bands won't pull out your hair as much, or they won't pop. You know, if you leave them in the oil too long, they will pop in your hair. So just leave them in for a couple minutes. All products are going to be listed in the description box below, so please check that out. Sweethearts, when it comes down to these rubber bands on your edges, I'm not even playing with you. Please do not put this too tight because you do not want your edges to be out, and you do want to be able to blink or go to sleep at night. If it's too tight, you won't even be able to move, you know, because it's going to be, it's going to be hurting, and they're actually going to give you a headache if your rubber bands are too tight. So just be careful on that. I am going to be putting edge control on my edges early. I like doing this because, I don't know, it just gives it an extra, it makes it looks neater, and I'm going to be using it throughout the hairstyle. So as long as it's in, I'm going to be adding this edge control around my edges and just, keeping them slayed throughout the hairstyle. Everything that I'm doing to this side, I'm going to be doing to the other side. So I have a total of 5 braids on one side and then a total of 5 on the other. So that's a total of 10 altogether, and we'll count the back in a minute. So I went ahead and counted a total of 10 in the back as well. So that's just a total of 20 braids we're going to have in our hair. Okay, sweethearts, I'm going to be linking this hair in the description box below. Oh my goodness, do you see the color of that red? That is pretty. It reminds me of fall. It reminds me of autumn, my favorite season. I think it's going to be cute, you guys. Each pack, I'm going to separate it into 3. So that's three braids for each pack. Don't forget to add the magic fingers on your natural hair just to slick it down with the synthetic hair, you know, blending it in. Okay, here we're just going to start it off as a regular braid, but since this is jumbo, the hair's kind of thicker and you're going to have to braid a little tighter. So right here, what we're going to do is we're going to tuck our hair into the synthetic hair. We're going to hide our hair and then just braid normally down. As you're braiding down, go ahead and add some of that magic fingers to it just to slick any flyaways or your natural hair inside of it. When you're almost at the end, just grab a rubber band and stop the hair so you'll have a little bit of the red sticking out. These jumbo braids are nice and easy. These braids actually last a good 2 weeks, especially, you know, how we gelled our hair down and how we put these rubber bands in. When you do put rubber bands in, it does last longer than a feed-in or knotless. I'm gonna go ahead and get braiding and I'm gonna talk to you guys in a minute. Okay, sweethearts, when you get to the end, we're going to be using some perm rods, the smallest ones. We're going to twist them, twist downward, and then clamp it up. And we're going to do this for each and every braid. Hey, sweethearts, when you're dipping your hair, please be cautious. This is some hot, boiling water. Ask someone next to you if you like, because this can get very scary. You do not want to hurt yourself with this hot water. So please, again, be careful. Okay, here we're just going to cut some flyaways and some of the hair that we don't want. We're also going to add some oil just to shine it up a little bit. You can even actually put some shine spray on your hair to finish it off. I'm actually going to finish it off with some mousse. Put that on there and we are good to go, my loves. Off camera, sweethearts, I did do my edges with the black edge control, and these are the final results, my sweethearts. I am in awe. I'm loving it. I'm loving every minute and every inch of it. Sweethearts, please don't forget to like, comment. I want to hear from you. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Does it say fall? You know what I'm saying? Please share and most definitely subscribe. I love you even if I don't know you. I'll see you guys next time.